Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, some tri beads, these little beads here. You're going to need some charms. I got these off Bead Tin. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, possibly a needle. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. And a few feet of string. And you're going to start with putting on 3 pink, and then we're going to put an orange on both sides and bring those to the middle. Okay. Now, on one side, we're going to put 3 pink. And then you're going to take the other string and cross through all 3 beads. Okay, you're going to have 2 ends here. We're going to put them together and then pull these beads down to the center. And that's what it looks like. The string's getting all twisted up on me. Okay. Now we're gonna add orange on both sides. You're gonna get 3 pink on one side. You're going to take the other string and cross through. Put the ends together and then pull these down. Okay, we're going to repeat that. Orange on both sides. 3 pink on one side. Take the other end and cross through. And then once you get this started, you can just pull both ends at the same time. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to keep doing this until we get to the desired length, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added 15 rows. So to count, I just counted the pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I have 15. Now, we're going to need to take this string across all 3 of these pink. Okay, like that. And we're going to make a knot. And this is what it looks like. Now we need to take one of these strings back through the pink. So you're going to go through all 3 of them. And then you're going to go up through this orange. And you're going to do that on both sides. Okay, so we have both strings coming out of the orange. And we're going to work on one side. We're going to take a tri-bead, 1 yellow, a tri-bead, 1 green, a tri-bead, 1 blue, tri-bead, 1 purple, and another tri-bead. And we're going to go through, we're going to skip 1 bead. So we're going to skip this orange and go to the next one. You know what? I think I'm going to remove the purple. I want it to be a little closer. Okay, so I removed the purple bead, and that's what it looks like. We're going to repeat that. Tri-bead, yellow, we're going to skip this orange and then go through this one. Skip this orange and go through this one. Okay, and that's what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to repeat this same exact thing over here. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I finished both sides and this is what it looks like. And you should have your strings coming out of the orange beads here. For the next step, we're going to add 1 tri-bead, 1 charm, 1 tri-bead, 1 charm, a tri-bead, a charm. So I'm just going back and forth between the two with all the colors that I have. And I decided not to use the purple. That's what the pattern looks like. Now we need to tie this together here. These 2 strings. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now we need to, well, you know what? I'm going to flip this around because it'll be easier. We're going to go back through this orange here. And then we're going to go up through 2 of these pink. Okay, now we're going to work on the center pattern, and we're going to put a tri-bead on, a charm, tri-bead, a charm. We're just going to go back and forth between the 2. And you can use whatever pattern you want. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to count 5 rows. So we're coming out of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to take my string and go through the middle pink bead. Okay, this time I'm going to use pony beads with tri-beads in between. So okay, for this one, I'm going to count 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go through. And for these middle beads, I don't want the string really tight, because I want these to be able to move around. Now we're going to repeat the same thing we did right here. Okay. Now we're going to go through this pink here. And like I said, leave that a little loose so these can move around. I mean, not super loose, but use your best judgment. And I'm also going to go through this, whoops, this pink. And now we need to tie both of these. I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. Cut that off. Same thing on this side. Just tie it on the string here. And you know what? I have one of these left. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the pony bead one. But this is what it looks like. I think this is going to look really cool under the black light. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.